Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a memory chip. This is a 256 megabyte, a small one, because I have a really old motherboard, so I have a 256 megabyte memory chip. And today I'm going to show you how to install it like I said before. And I'm going to give you some warnings about it. Make sure you do not touch this silver part right here. That's where the data contains. And I have this website. It's free. There's no harm to your computer or laptop, desktop. It's www.crucial.com. That's CRUCIAL.com. It's a very helpful site. You can see it, you can run your computer a test and see how much memory you have and how much more you need to boost up your computer. So come on, let's get started. Just gonna open this up. This is a Dell that I'm installing on, not a previous version. I have a Windows XP, so yeah. There you go. Just put this to the side. Now here is where the memory chip. This is the memory chip. Here is where we will put it in. You guys can see. I have two main slots, 1 and 2. So I only have one chip. So here, let's install it. Now make sure you are putting it the right way, because you have to make sure you install with these two ports right here, where you have to first look where they are. So make sure you're doing it gently. You do not want to press it down fully. You want to do it gently. Don't want to break this. So just give it a light push. And then right here, light push. And there you go. It's installed. Now, and then we're going to just look. Now, if you want to put another one, you can simple do the same steps. Put it in gently. Put these two slots in. And there we go. That's our memory chip installed. Now, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and please make sure to check out that site. Thank you.